Fiona McEntee, immigration attorney, here coming to you from my office in Chicago. And wow, have I been waiting a long time to officially share this news with you. For those who may not have heard, earlier this week, we got fantastic news. The news is that the Biden administration is finally going to be lifting the travel ban. But there are some things to keep in mind. We've written a blog post on our law firm's website, mcenteelaw.com, in relation to this, and I'll just go over some of the main points here, but you can check out the full blog post on our website. So earlier this week we heard the announcement. For those who don't know what I'm talking about, consider yourself lucky. The travel bans have really been in effect for a lot of countries since March of last year. So close to 18 months or so. And essentially they banned travel from Ireland, UK, Schengen and Europe directly into the US. And for people who were covered by them, there were exemptions for US citizens and green card holders, but essentially for immigrants or, international travelers, they were banned from coming in, and it really, really impacted so many visa holders, families, businesses. Personally, I've been impacted by this. So it's pretty emotional and just so welcome to see this being lifted. So they're the bans. The bans are, as of recording this video today, we have not seen a specific date by the administration, but we've been told it's going to be early November. But we don't have a specific date yet. We've been getting a lot of questions about that. Instead of a ban, there's going to be a vaccination requirement for all international travelers. And this is really what we've been asking for, is to replace a blanket ban on immigrants and replace that with a science-based approach, which involves vaccines and testing. So that's what the administration has done, and we're very, very thankful. It's been long overdue. So as far as what vaccines, we don't know right now what vaccines are going to be accepted. We've been getting a lot of questions about the AstraZeneca vaccine, and we don't know which ones are going to be on that approved list. The administration has said it's going to be consulting with the CDC in relation to what vaccines will qualify you to travel into the US. So stay tuned for that. As far as exceptions, the administration specifically has said that the exceptions will be extremely limited. Exceptions, I believe, for children who are obviously not yet eligible to get the vaccine. But other than that, extremely limited exceptions there. For people who are not vaccinated and are able to get an exception, or we're not sure what that process will look like, but there's going to be contact tracing, and they've told us that those people need to agree to get vaccinated on arrival. But again, those details are not clear. And there's still going to be testing that's been in place for quite a while. There's a testing requirement and a vaccine. So that's really it. I mean, we don't have all the specifics, but it's such welcome news, and I have been longing to share this with everybody. I know people have been pretty emotional about the impending reunions. I know people are booking flights for Thanksgiving. I mean, this really is a welcome change for families, for businesses that have been, business travel has been halted or really kind of impeded. For tourism. And if people are vaccinated and are going to adhere to masking or whatever the other requirements are and testing, there's no reason why we need to ban all immigrants from entering the US from certain countries. So anyway, it's my pleasure and joy to be able to share this news with you. Just want to thank everybody for all the support that you have given me throughout this time. It's been rough for everybody, and I know a lot of our social media followers are really dedicated and just supportive, and it means a lot to me, and I am so thankful that I get to share this great news with you. So I hope everybody has a great day. Follow our blog on our website, follow us on all our social media, McEntee Law, and I'm US Visa Lawyer on the various channels. So I look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for letting me be a part of this with you. Take care.